Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can make a significant difference in your pet grooming routine, the Wahl 9766 Heavy-Duty Cordless Animal Clippers. We found this product online and have added the link in the description, so you can check its latest price and availability. The Wahl USA Lithium-ion Pro Series Cordless Animal Clippers are designed for both small and large breeds, especially those with thick or double coats. If you've ever faced the daunting task of grooming your furry friend at home, you know how important it is to have the right tools. This clipper makes it easy and cost-effective to groom your pet without having to make frequent trips to the professional groomer. Let's go over some of the standout features of these clippers. First off, they boast self-sharpening precision blades. This means you won't have to worry about snagging or pulling on your pet's fur during grooming sessions. The high-carbon blades stay sharp, providing a smooth cutting experience that makes grooming much more pleasant for your pet. With pro-quality results right at home, you can save both time and money. Another significant highlight is the impressive 2-hour runtime. This allows for multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. The cordless feature means that you can move freely without being tethered to an outlet, which is particularly useful when you're trying to keep your pet calm and cooperative. The color-coded guide comb attachments also make it easy to find the desired coat length, ensuring you get the look you want without the guesswork. Speaking of charging, the Wahl 9766 comes equipped with a quick charging feature. You can get about 15 minutes of power from just a quick charge, which is perfect for those last-minute touch-ups. For a full charge, it takes about 3 to 5 hours, and thanks to the lithium-ion battery technology, you won't have to worry about memory issues. This means you can store the clippers for a long time without losing their charge capacity. One of the best things about the Wahl grooming kit is that it's made in the USA, using both domestic and imported parts. Wahl is known for its high-quality grooming tools, and this product lives up to that reputation. It's durable, reliable, and designed to last, making it a smart investment for any pet owner. So, who is this product suitable for? If you have a pet with a thick or heavy coat, whether a small breed or a large dog, this clipper is an excellent choice. It's also perfect for pet owners who want to take grooming into their own hands, whether to save on grooming costs or simply to bond with their pets during the grooming process. Practical use cases for these clippers are extensive. You can use them for regular grooming sessions, maintaining your pet's coat between professional groomings, or even for specific styling needs. Whether you're preparing your dog for a show, keeping your cat's coat tidy, or just doing a routine trim, the Wahl 9766 can handle it all. In conclusion, if you're looking for a heavy-duty, efficient, and user-friendly grooming solution for your pet, the Wahl 9766 Heavy-Duty Cordless Animal Clippers are definitely worth considering. They offer a combination of quality, convenience, and performance that can transform your grooming experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.